How's it going, everyone? I just want to make a quick video talking about this TPLC and what a great HVAC tech bag this is. I'll go over some of the things I carry in there and what it weighs. So I've got my yellow jacket scale out here. It's about 18.5 pounds right now. Get that out of the way. We'll just dig into it. So when you buy it, it does not come with this shoulder strap. I bought that and added on extra. Start from the left side here. You got your meter. I've got a little thermostat, screwdriver, a reamer, angled bit holder. On the right side, I've got the Milwaukee Impact M12 with little Klein nippers. Little light bits in the front here. And then, of course, a bunch of tools in the middle. So I'm just going to take everything out, kind of talk about it, let you know what I've got in here. Meter, UEI DL579. I like that meter a lot. Got these, this is the Klein little thermostat screwdriver. It flips around. It's got this protector for when you keep it in the bag. I'll talk about these later. Bits, got Phillips. I've got this right here. This, I believe, yeah, it's yellow jackets for changing out the seals in your gauges. Hoses. Got flat. There's a 3/8 T25. There's a number 12 millimeter for taking out compressor bolts. You got a square, Phillips number 3, and then a step bit. I've got a little Milwaukee light here. It takes 2 AA's, magnetic there and there. Sorry, I'm doing this all one-handed. This is the fuel, Milwaukee M12, and I've got the Melco flip bit in it. All right, there's a lot to get into here. A couple of jumpers up top. There it is, a couple alligator clamps. They screw onto my leads. I've also got, here's a UEI temperature. All right. Refrigeration wrench. That's what I was trying to get out here. I've got a couple of needle tips for the meter. I like these. And I've got, this is probably my favorite tool in here. I've got the Knipex. I'm not sure what size these are. They're about, I don't know, 8 inches long. Got Klein pair of strippers. I like these. You can also crimp your ends on there. A little stubby here. I like this one. Needle nose, Klein. Little crescent. I'm not sure how big that one is. 6 inch probably. Got a little non-contact voltage, 9/16. This is handy. Drop screws underneath your units or something. A little magnetic stander. And this right here, my favorite crescent. It's a little crescent brand. Called a spud wrench. 6-inch extension. There's a 3/8, 5/16, 6-inch flip socket. Chuck. And then I've got this little fluke insulated thermostat screwdriver. This is for, I use it for some special contactors to get the wires out. All right, and I've got some Allen wrenches, Kleins, standard and metric. All right, let's go with this one right here. We got a Klein insulated screwdriver. You can flip the ends over, flat Phillips. It's got a few different bits that come with it. Got square, another smaller flat Phillips, probably number 1. And then some longer ones, flat Phillips. These are number 2s. Got this is kind of like a beater screwdriver. It's not through shaft, but it works good for prying on stuff. Klein, this is my favorite. Magnet 11-in-1. I use this every day. And then this one right here, I'm debating on taking it out of the bag or not. I use these sockets quite a bit. I don't use it as a net driver very often, but it's handy. And then of course I keep a bunch of zip ties in here. And then down at the very bottom, all I keep in there is a roll of, this is Blue Monster tape. Yeah, I think that's it for the inside. I missed this right here, little nippers. Up top, just keep a bunch of, let's see if I can get this up. Bunch of zip ties. I've got a couple of imps in there, and I've got a couple of 5/16 no loss fittings. Put those over here. See this one. Yeah, it's the Yellow Jacket. I'm not sure what this one is here. Imperial. And I got some 5/16 screws, wire nuts, spade connectors, different things like that. A couple rolls of electrical tape. And then on the back here, I keep my Testo probe kit. So I've got clamps, pressure sensors. I've got a little piece of Scotch-Brite in here, sanded pipe. And then I've got 2 of these Yellow Jacket no loss fittings quarter. But I'm thinking about swapping these out for these. I just picked these up. These are a couple of quarters, a couple of 5/16, and these are called valve control tools. So just, you can hook your hose or your gauge on here, and then this screws in and out and presses down on your valve core. So I'm gonna try these out. I think I'll switch out these, see if the weight changes at all. Get rid of these. So anyways, that's pretty much all I've got in my bag. It's a really awesome bag. I can do just about anything and get pretty much everything done with one trip, one bag. So I just thought I'd share with you guys. If you're looking for a good HVAC service bag, this would be the one I recommend. Thanks.